Greetings, food enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure to discover the secrets behind one of Japan's most beloved dishes, Kani Salad. You may have enjoyed it at your favorite sushi restaurant, but we're about to unveil some intriguing, unknown facts that will leave you craving for more. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Our journey begins with the origins of Kani Salad. Contrary to popular belief, it's not purely a traditional Japanese dish. It was born from the fusion of Japanese and Western culinary influences, combining Japanese crab, kani, with a salad-style presentation. The star ingredient. The star of Kani Salad is, of course, the crab. But did you know that the crab often used in Kani Salad is not real crab meat? It's usually made from a fish called surimi, which is processed to resemble crab. This budget-friendly alternative allows more people to enjoy the flavors of crab. The crunchy texture. One of the delightful aspects of Kani Salad is its crispy texture. The salad often includes ingredients like cucumber, carrot, and radish that add a satisfying crunch to each bite. It's a symphony of textures. The dressing mystery. The secret to a great Kani salad is the dressing. Typically, it's a blend of Japanese mayonnaise and a touch of sriracha sauce for a mild kick. This creamy spicy combo elevates the flavors to a whole new level. The versatile salad. Kani salad isn't just a side dish. It's incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. You can pair it with sushi rolls, serve it as an appetizer, or even stuff it inside a sandwich for a refreshing twist. The regional variations. Just like sushi, Kani salad has regional variations in Japan. Some regions add mango for a tropical twist, while others include avocado or seaweed for extra depth of flavor. Exploring these regional styles is a culinary adventure on its own. The nutritional benefits. Believe it or not, Kani salad is not only delicious but also nutritious. It's a good source of protein, thanks to the crab or surimi. Plus, it's low in calories and packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a guilt-free pleasure. Making your own Kani salad. Now, let's wrap up with a DIY segment. Making Kani salad at home is a breeze. Simply chop the veggies, mix in the crab or surimi, add the creamy dressing, and you've got yourself a refreshing and satisfying salad. The colorful presentation. Kani salad isn't just about taste, it's also about aesthetics. The vibrant colors of the ingredients, from the orange crab sticks to the green cucumber and red radish, make it a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. The seafood medley. While crab or surimi is the star, some variations of Kani salad include other seafood elements like shrimp. This seafood medley adds an extra layer of flavor complexity that seafood lovers adore. The Kani salad wrap. If you're looking for a unique way to enjoy Kani salad, try wrapping it in a tortilla or rice paper. It's a portable and delicious way to enjoy the flavors on the go. The Kani salad sushi roll. Another creative spin on Kani salad is to use it as a filling for sushi rolls. The combination of the creamy salad with sushi rice and nori seaweed creates a delightful fusion of flavors. The health benefits of wasabi. Wasabi is often served alongside Kani salad, not just for its fiery kick but also for its health benefits. It's believed to have antimicrobial properties and can aid digestion. So, don't be shy with that wasabi. The Kani salad innovations. Creative chefs have taken Kani salad to new heights by incorporating ingredients like mango, avocado, and even strawberries. These innovative variations showcase the salad's adaptability and versatility. The cultural significance. In Japan, Kani salad isn't just a dish. It's a reflection of the country's fusion cuisine, which blends traditional Japanese flavors with international influences. It's a testament to the ever-evolving nature of Japanese cuisine. Kani salad has its own dedicated fanbase on social media. Instagram is filled with stunning photos of beautifully plated Kani salads, making it a visual feast for foodies. Kani salad is all about balance. Its flavors are carefully balanced between sweet, savory, and a touch of spiciness. It's a harmonious blend that makes every bite a pleasure. One popular way to serve Kani salad is in a crispy wonton or tortilla bowl. It adds a delightful crunch to each bite and elevates the overall presentation. Beyond its delightful taste, Kani salad offers health benefits. And there you have it, a deeper dive into the world of Japanese Kani salad. It's a dish that transcends borders, offering a delightful blend of flavors and textures. Don't forget to share your Kani salad stories, favorite recipes, or creative adaptations in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us for more culinary adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the world of food and cherishing those delicious moments.